we have a few face masks here. Tell me how, what's the most effective way of using these face masks?
Let's start with this one. This one is actually what we just use as an allergy mask, okay? Prevents dust, it prevents particles, but it would not be what the Center of Health Protection recommends.
Okay.
What we recommend is this 3-ply mask right here. So this one and this one are both okay.
Now the question is, for me, is the blue side facing out or the white side?
If you have the blue one, I can tell you that it's the blue one, but what if you don't?
Okay, so which way is that?
So let's take the more difficult one. So you will always feel a wire on one side, and then you'll always on the other side feel just no wire, okay? The wire side is designed to help shape to the bridge of your nose. So what we want to do is actually put this close to our face, and then we're going to form fit it by pinching it right at the nasal bridge, and then we're going to pull it just below the chin. So for example, you can take this one,
okay,
and I can take this one.
Yeah.
So again, before putting on the mask, we should do hand hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds.
Please go ahead, show me how to use it.
So one squirt, and then you want to do palm to palm.
Oh, yeah.
The back of the hand.
I'm definitely lazy doing this one. Yeah.
You need to do the finger webs.
Finger webs. You have to sing happy birthday? Oh, my nails are not done. Yeah.
And then you need to do the nails of your second, third, fourth, fifth finger by doing this.
Okay.
Okay. And what about the thumb?
Oh,
you got to do the thumb because we just reached the
You know, I'm not doing this properly, I can tell you that now.
And then the other thumb. And then last but not least, the wrist. And that should be approximately the amount of time that it takes for the alcohol or whatever you're using to dry off. So after doing that, then you want to pick up your mask and then you want to put it just right over the nasal bridge with the wire on top. You sometimes may not get the color. So if you have a white mask, then put the wire over top.
Yeah.
Pinch it on your nose. And then put it over your ears and then pull down.
Pull down. And then
A
it's properly wrapped all around.
well-worn mask, so press it right across your maxillary bone. Yeah. A well-worn mask, you shouldn't be able, if you wear glasses, it shouldn't become foggy. It should be completely sealed.
That's where I'm going wrong. Actually, I had to wear contacts for this interview.
Medical masks like this one cannot protect against the new coronavirus when used alone. When you wear them, you must combine with hand hygiene and other preventive measures. WHO only recommends the use of masks in specific cases. If you have cough, fever, and difficulty breathing, you should wear a mask and seek medical care. If you do not have these symptoms, you do not have to wear masks because there is no evidence that they protect people who are not sick. However, if you are healthy, but you are taking care of a person who may be infected with the new coronavirus, then you should wear a mask whenever you are in the same room with that person. And remember, if you choose to wear a mask, use it and discard it properly and clean your hands with alcohol hand rub or soap and water.